Okay, so this question is maximum number of event that can be attended. So you want to return the maximum number of event that you can attend. Yeah, so the start time and the end time, it doesn't matter, you know, you attend a start time or end time, you can just attend one between the range, right? So, yes, example 1, example 2 are a little bit confused, but let me go over it. So you are given to the array 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, right? So you can attempt the first event is on either first day or second day. Second event is going to be second day or third day, and then the last event is going to be third day or fourth day, right? So each event you have 2 days you can pick to attend, right? So this is why you can attend everything. And another one, example 2, you just have another one over here. Again, you can still attend every single event because you can attend this on day 1, attend this on day 2, attend this on day 3, attend this on day 4. So again, this is a little bit tricky, but yeah. So this is the question. So let's talk about the solution. So again, we don't know the array is sorted or not. So we want to sort from smallest to largest. And then we can definitely prioritize like what event can go first, right? So let's talk about how many days you have. So yeah, starting day is from day 1 to 10 to the 5th. So it's like a limit range, but doesn't matter. Let's talk about some constraint. So if you are adding this value, I'm adding this event, so definitely it's going to be PQ, right? Priority queue. If you're adding the priority, I'm adding an event into a priority queue, right? We want to make sure the starting day is definitely either greater or equal to the day that we traverse, right? If not, then we need to poll. Like we're not going to attend this, right? So we need to poll when the starting day of the event is less than the day, right? So it has to be greater or equal, right? And the next one is just going to be if the starting day, I'm going to say starting day, I'm going to write 2. So this is starting day, starting event 1, this is starting event 2. The starting day is equal to the date. I'm going to add the ending day, and I'm going to add ending day into the PQ, so I can definitely see like when can they poll or not, right? So again, what you need to do is you want to make sure the date range in the in the event that add into the priority queue, and then you will definitely count how many events you can go, right? So that's a little bit too much talking. Let's stop coding. So let's say I want to sort the array to the array. So yeah, so I'm comparing the smallest to largest, and then I want to have a priority queue integer. PQ equal to new priority queue. And then I need to have a return value, maximum day, return result. Cool. So for the in d as a day equal to 1 and day less than equal to 10 to the 5th. So 1e represent 10 to the 5th, right? And d plus plus. And I also need an index for the event, right? I equal to 0. All right. So we need to add the event into the PQ, but we only add the either starting day or end day. So that's it. That's everything. So again, so while the PQ is not empty, and the PQ.pick is less than D, which is the starting, which is the day in the PQ, doesn't qualify because we are not attending. When we are not attending, we just say poll. All right. So what happens if we want to attend? Well, I less than events dot length, and also events at I at 0, so which is starting day, is equal to a D. Basically, I just need to add the event, but I only add the ending day. I only add ending day into the what? Into the PQ. And definitely we need to increment our I, right? But we not increment our I in the for loop. We increment I in here. But again, you can definitely shortcut to this. Okay. So for every single iteration, if PQ is not empty, we can say, oh, you can attend. And also, you want to poll from PQ, because if you attend the event, then you no longer need it, right? So this is the whole entire solution. It's a little bit tricky, but whatever. All right, so I mean, this is not going to be a best solution, but it's going to be easier to understand. All right, time and space. Let's do this. This is time, unlog n, unrepresent length of the event. All right, PQ is going to be what? Space. So it's going to be all of n. All right, this is going to be what? All of d. D represent 10 to the 5th. And this will somehow be a little bit time, but doesn't matter, depending on the event. So I would say the worst case is going to be all of d times n. And then it will short to be all of n. So the worst case is going to be this. All right, so here's some solution that you might be interesting. So it's going to be the same logic. So we don't need to traverse the first for loop. We basically just traverse the PQ, and also check the I index. If I is less than events dot length, right? So make sure if PQ is empty, then we just have to assign, okay, just pull one of the index from the events, right? And then yeah, this is basically exactly the same thing for this. You want to add the event to the PQ when the event is starting, right? So this is starting day. And then you just poll when you are trying to add, you can attend the event or not, right? And this is when you are not allowed to. When you are not allowed to attend, you poll. So this will be the solution as well. But this is definitely better for the time efficiency. But let me copy over. Just copy this. Yeah, it's a little bit time efficient than others, but whatever. I mean, the main point is to understand the concept of these questions. And yeah, if you have a question, leave a comment, and I'll see you later.